Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Lux Designation, author of the book Secrets of Top Luxury Agents. In this video, I want to talk to you about a term as an agent that you're probably not familiar with. It's called builder's mold. When you represent a buyer, you should understand what builder's mold is. And when you represent a seller, one of the benefits of a pre-home inspection is some things can be identified ahead of time, including builder's mold. So let's talk about, as you know, mold is something that scares a lot of buyers away. They might have respiratory. They've heard bad, horror stories. They've heard about black mold. Builder's mold is a term you probably haven't heard of. I was selling a $3.1 million home recently. I got it sold. I represented the seller, but the buyer during the inspection, the inspector said, "You have black mold." We're like, there's no way there's black mold. The home's only 4 years old. We got a mold specialist out. He goes, "No, that's not black mold. That's builder's mold. It's not a big deal. It does need to be addressed." But what happened was, in this case, the house was 4 years old. And when the builder bought the millwork, bought the wood, bought the support beams, in this case, some Douglas fir beams, the wood wasn't treated by the mill company. A lot of times they treat it, they clean it, they treat it. It wasn't. So what happens was, in this case, the attic was very hot because it was over insulated and there was no good ventilation in there. The air ducts were blocked. So on an 80-degree day, it could literally be 110 in the attic. A lot of humidity, the heat pulled out and created mold because the wood wasn't treated, and that was builder's mold. So could easily be remediated, and it was for about $5,000. They come in, they spray a white solution, they clean it, they guarantee it for 10 years. That's what builder's mold is. But if you are representing a seller that's thinking about selling, you might encourage a pre-home inspection. And in that inspection, maybe that inspector would look for builder's mold, because it could be a red flag to a buyer, but if taken care of, it shouldn't be a red flag. I'd rather you be proactive than reactive. And as a buyer, if you see the mold, don't panic yet. It could be builder's mold. If this is helpful, please leave us a like, leave us a review. My contact information is below. My name is Michael LaFido. We did just launch one-on-one coaching. Check it out. Go to luxurylistingspecialist.com/consultation. And we look forward to perhaps helping you increase your average sale price and work smarter, not harder. Take care.